Hello everyone, my name is Giselle and welcome back to my channel. So today I have another fun, interesting video for you guys. We are going to be doing another 3D printing and painting video. We are going to print something from the TV show Rick and Morty. I absolutely love that TV show so much, so I had to do a video on it. So the print we're going to be doing today is this model right here. It is Rick's hand holding the portal gun coming out of a portal. I literally love this model so much and I think it turned out so well. And yeah, if you guys want to see how I did it, then just keep on watching. So first things first is the 3D printing side of it. Now I downloaded this model from the internet. I will link down below the exact model I chose. This model was not expensive at all and it was so high quality and it printed so smoothly. I printed this in 6 sections, 4 for the portal and 2 for the hand and the gun. Each section took about 2 to 3 hours to print, which is kind of a long time, but I'm so happy with it. It printed so smoothly. So now we got all the sections printed. Again, it printed so smooth. I'm so happy with it. And we get to rip off all the support systems, which is the fun bit. It is so satisfying just tearing it all off. So I'm just going to rip off all these supports and I'm going to clean it up a bit and then we're going to head on to painting. So I decided to glue all the portal sections together and then the gun and the hand sections together and paint them as 2 separate pieces just because I wanted to keep these sections really clean and it turned out really good. So now we are finally onto the painting side of it. Now the portal has these 3 distinct greens, a light green, a medium green, and a dark green. I first painted the light green and let it dry completely and then went on with the medium and the dark and letting it dry between each color. Just because again, I wanted it to be really clean and not smudgy and it turned out really good. And now we've painted all the greens and I'm just going in with white and painting all the like dots and splotchy bits. So now it's time to paint the actual portal gun. As you saw before, I painted the light gray and I let it dry, and then I'm going in with a dark gray and reds and greens. Now we're on to painting Rick's hand. Now his skin color was so hard to make. I tried to color match it as best as I can. And also the blue for his sleeve was so hard to create because it's like a fluoro blue. But I tried my best and I think it looks pretty good. So after I finished all the painting, I actually went in with a darker green on that bit just to give it a bit more dimension. And now we're going to get some super glue and we're going to glue it all together. I had to hold this for such a long time and let it dry overnight. But yeah, that is it guys for today. I'm actually so happy with how it turned out. I hope you guys like it. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. And if you want me to print anything else, don't forget to comment it down below. But yeah, this was such a fun project to do and I think it turned out so well. And I'll see you guys in the next video.